वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? वो कुछ भी नहीं था. That was nothing. That was nothing. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. मेरे सिर में दर्द है. I have a headache. I have a headache. उसे सब पता है. He knows everything. He knows everything. क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? कैसे हो गया? How did this happen? How did this happen? चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. वो सही कह रहा है. He is right. He is right. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am always with you. I am always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है. He is a stubborn child. He is a stubborn child. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. मुझे रुलाओ मत. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. यह तो ठीक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. अपना स्वभाव बदलो. Change your behavior. Change your behavior. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. It's your duty. It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't twist the words. Don't twist the words. एक महीना हो गया है. It has been a month. It has been a month. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? यह हमारा कर्तव्य है. It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's not a cup of tea for you. It's not a cup of tea for you. अगली बार. Next time. Next time. पिछली बार. Last time. Last time. बिल्कुल. Of course. Of course. मेरी गर्दन में दर्द है. My neck hurts. My neck hurts. मैंने पहले ही खा लिया. I ate already. I ate already. आकर बैठो. Come and sit. Come and sit. एक तरफ हट जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. आगे बढ़ो. Move forward. Move forward. पीछे जाओ. Move back. Move back. कितना प्यारा है. How cute. How cute. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है. Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. मुझे छींकें आ रही हैं. I am sneezing. I am sneezing. मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं. I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? भूलना मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. मैं हिल नहीं सकता. I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो. Let him find out. Let him find out. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है. I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था। I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है. It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना. Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो. Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मुझे कॉल मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. बिना मोबाइल के बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out without a mobile. Don't go out without a mobile. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? मैं थोड़ा ले लूं? Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit? अभी नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था. But I wanted it right now. But I wanted it right now. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है. No, nothing is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ. I will catch you later. I will catch you later. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ. I am very lucky. I am very lucky. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care. I don't care. मुझे वहाँ मिलना है. I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो. You are still here. You are still here. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना. Remind me later. Remind me later. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. गाड़ी रोको, स्टॉप द कार, स्टॉप द कार। तुम बहुत पतले हो, यू आर सो थिन, यू आर सो थिन। यह कब और कैसे हुआ? हाउ एंड व्हेन डिड इट हैपन, हाउ एंड व्हेन डिड इट हैपन। वापस आओ, कम बैक, कम बैक। यह बेकार है, इट्स यूजलेस, इट्स यूजलेस। मेरे बाद दोहराओ, रिपीट आफ्टर मी, रिपीट आफ्टर मी। मैं चल नहीं सकता, आई कांट वॉक, आई कांट वॉक। यह कैसे हुआ? हाउ डिड इट हैपन, हाउ डिड इट हैपन। चलो छुपना छुपनी खेलते हैं, लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक, लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक। मेरी बात सुनो, लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी। कुछ खास, समथिंग स्पेशल, समथिंग स्पेशल। इसे मत करो, डोंट डू इट, डोंट डू इट। आप मेरी मदद करो, हेल्प मी अप, हेल्प मी अप। खाली मत बैठो, डोंट सिट आइडल, डोंट सिट आइडल। क्या तुम ठीक हो? आर यू ओके, आर यू ओके। भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। सीधे बैठो, सिट अप स्ट्रेट, सिट अप स्ट्रेट। और यू कैन से सिट अप राइट, सिट अप राइट। उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की, ही नेवर केयर्ड फॉर मी, ही नेवर केयर्ड फॉर मी। आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, यू आर वेस्टिंग माई टाइम, यू आर वेस्टिंग माई टाइम। आप होश में तो हैं? आर यू इन योर सेंसेस, आर यू इन योर सेंसेस। मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आई थिंक सो, आई थिंक सो। मैं खो गया हूँ, आई एम लॉस्ट, आई एम लॉस्ट। मैं मना करता हूँ, आई डिक्लाइन, आई डिक्लाइन। मैं घर पर हूँ, आई एम एट होम, आई एम एट होम। मजे करो, हैव फन, हैव फन। रहने भी दो, फॉरगेट इट, फॉरगेट इट। आराम से, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स। आंख मत मारो, डोंट विंक, डोंट विंक। ध्यान रहे, वॉच आउट, वॉच आउट। मैं समझ गया, आई सी, आई सी। मैं अविवाहित हूँ, आई एम सिंगल, आई एम सिंगल। अरे अरे, ओहो, ओहो। बारिश कब होगी? When will it rain? When will it rain? यह संघर्ष करने का समय है, It is time to struggle, It is time to struggle. क्या आपको समझ आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, I don't feel like eating, I don't feel like eating. मुझे इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, I don't need it, I don't need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी जरूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत है, You need to go, You need to go. वह आ रहा है. He is coming. He is coming. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो. Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? हमें जल्दी करना है. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. हमें और चाहिए. We need more. We need more. उसे बाहर बुलाओ. Call him outside. Call him outside. इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. यह नया है. It is new. It is new. मुझे यह बताओ. Tell me this. Tell me this. वह यहाँ है. He is here. He is here. मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I need something. I need something. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? क्या वह तैयार है? Is he ready? Is he ready? मुझे याद है. I remember. I remember. मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. उसे देखो. Look at her. Look at her. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. जरा देखने तो दो. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. मैं आस-पास ही था. I was around. I was around. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज हूँ. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. और तुम? I am great. And you? I am great. And you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है उसे सब पता है? Are you sure he knows everything? Are you sure he knows everything? मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. क्या सब तैयार हैं? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? उसे बोलने दो. Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है. We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है. He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है. This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है. We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है. We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो। लुक एट मी। लुक एट मी। क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है। Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो। Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो। Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो। Carry on. Carry on. नहा लो। Take a bath. Take a bath. हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना। Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. मुझे लगता है कि यह गलत है। I think this is wrong. I think this is wrong. यह तुम पर निर्भर है। It depends on you. It depends on you. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं। I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything. यह बोरिंग है। This is boring. This is boring. मुझे इससे नफरत है। I hate this. I hate this. मैं यहाँ हूँ। I am here. I am here. अब तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? तुमने क्यों किया? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? यह बेकार है। This is useless. This is useless. इसे मत भूलना। Don't forget this. Don't forget this. क्या तुमने इसे पढ़ा? Did you read this? Did you read this? क्या यह आसान था? Was it easy? Was it easy? मेरे साथ चलो। Come with me. Come with me. उसे पैसे मत दो। Don't give him money. Don't give him money. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं। I have some money. I have some money. कूदो मत। Don't jump. Don't jump. कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? मुझे ऐसा लगता है। I think so. I think so. मैं क्या करूं? What to do? What to do? सच में? Really? Really? बार बार। Over and over. Over and over. मिलते रहो। Keep in touch. Keep in touch. बहुत हो गया। It's too much. It's too much. मानो या ना मानो। Believe it or not. Believe it or not. तुम बदल गए हो। You have changed. You have changed. क्या मतलब? What do you mean? What do you mean? यह बहुत ज़्यादा है। This is too much. This is too much. मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मुझे एक मौका दो। Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। I don't have any issue. I don't have any issue. बाद में बात करते हैं। Talk to you later. Talk to you later. ऐसा कभी मत करना। Never do this. Never do this. चलो पता लगाते हैं। Let's find out. Let's find out. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you feel like. As you feel like. खुद पर विश्वास रखो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. और कुछ. Anything else? Anything else? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. उसे अंदर बुलाओ. Call him inside. Call him inside. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. उसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring her here. Bring her here. या फिर bring him here. Bring him here. हमें कुछ चाहिए. We need something. We need something. क्या यह सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. इसे वहाँ रखो. Put it there. Put it there. वह क्यों सो रहा है? Why is he sleeping? Why is he sleeping? मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I need something. I need something. यह बहुत बड़ा है. It is very big. It is very big. वह कब आ रहा है? When is he coming? When is he coming? इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. इसे वहाँ रखो. Keep it there. Keep it there. हमें इंतजार करना है. We have to wait. We have to wait. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him inside. Bring him inside. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. यह सही है. This is right. This is right. वह कब जाएगा? When will he go? When will he go? मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I need something. I need something. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I don't want it. I don't want it. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? हमें वहाँ जाना है. We have to go there. We have to go there. इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. हमें चलना चाहिए. We should go. We should go. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? उसे जल्दी बुलाओ. Call him quickly. Call him quickly. क्या तुम आओगे? Will you come? Will you come? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. उसे यहाँ रखो. Put it here. Put it here. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है. We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. यह आसान है. This is easy. This is easy. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे वहीं रखो. Keep it there. Keep it there. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? हमें जल्दी करना है. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? इसे ठीक करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी ले लो. Take it now. Take it now. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. वह यहाँ नहीं है. He is not here. He is not here. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे बाद में करो. Do it later. Do it later. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. हमें उसे बुलाना है. We have to call him. We have to call him. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving. I am leaving. संभल के. Watch out. Watch out. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना. Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go. खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं. We are going to home. We are going to home. अनदेखा करना सीखो. Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? मुझे वापस कॉल करें. Call me back. Call me back. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता. I can't explain further. I can't explain further. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. संपर्क में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. ये तुम्हारा वहम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. वह बहुत घमंडी है. He is so arrogant. He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you.